Okay, so hello, this video is for all Vauxhall Astra owners, and I've seen a lot of questions how to remove your gear shifter or especially the holder, and there was so many topics on forums how to remove this. So I figured out how to do this, but you won't have it complete. You have to destroy it. So at first you with something put this number plate off, and then you find this rubber stupid thing around the shifter. You just cut the way through and move this out. But then there's this some aluminum thing, and when you have a new shifter you can't simply get it on. So you get a cut in here, as you can see, and then just it splits up, and there's also the spring, an original, and you can remove all of this and have a clear shifter. This is only for security reasons, to not get in a reverse so easily, but it's not necessary. You can just get on a new shifter and get a reverse without security something. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and